Alrighty, this is the elevator at Independence Center in Independence, Missouri. It's a Montgomery KONE. Here it comes. Stopped on 2. You can see the piston in there. Here it is. Excuse me. All right. 3. There's the escalators. One. Door closes as you push the button. Of course, lose focus. Come on. Takes a while to level. We'll go up to 3 and we will get a cab view. This is a really nice elevator. A very nice motor too. Here's your fixtures. It'll focus. Indicator, fire service controls. Coming down?
Yes.
Which floor?
Oh.
One or 2?
I don't know. Maybe 1, I guess.
Okay.
I think, is this going down this floor right here? Where I told you?
No, this was second floor. Not that one. So that must be.
It's 3. We was on the 3rd floor?
Yeah.
I think. Oh,
Yeah,
I think we went too far.
Okay, we'll go back up.
Okay.
So you're
just ride. Yeah, I don't think it's down here.
What are you looking for?
The lady that threads eyebrows. She has a shop.
That might be on 2.
Yeah. And Philly cheese, they can't open yet.
El Chavez.
I don't know, yeah, I really don't want to eat the heavy knowing we're going to eat the tacos and tequilas later. Oh, we got to go out this way around. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Here are 3. This thing has some real trouble with focus. 1. Uh-huh. You guys have a good day. There it goes. And that's it.